This is a 15KV insulation tester.
15千伏绝缘测试仪。
This is the power port.
电源键 power。
This is the indicator light. This is the terminal.
的接线端子。
4 terminals. Terminal red. This is the high voltage side.
这是 L 高压端。
E is the ground terminal. Let's first use the instrument.
使用仪器
Press the power button.
开机键。
LCD screen light up. This voltage can be switched.
电压能切换。
The second key is to adjust the voltage, which can be switched. Maximum up to 15KV.
15千伏。
This is the test time.
时间
The test time can be adjusted by 1 minute, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. The minimum test time is 1 minute.
然后
This is the start key.
开始键
Press and hold for 2 seconds.
2秒。
Start. The red light will come on. Then press here to pause.
这暂停。
Okay, let me show you the wiring. Find the red high voltage line.
高压线。
Get to this place.
然后
This wire is connected to the G terminal. The red wire connects to the L terminal. The green wire is connected to terminal E.
接到 E 端子。
Then I find a subject.
我找一个被试品
Show and test.
展示测试一下。
The subject is a multimeter. It has a DC gear of 1000 volts.
1000伏档位。
Test the insulation of the 2 wires.
绝缘。我展示一下。
Okay, let me show you. Wiring. Red marker with high voltage end.
高压端。
Green marker with black D.
接黑色 D。
And then let's see.
我们看一下
It is so. Black red.
红色。
DC 1000伏 voltage range. Then we
进
proceed.
行
Test the voltage on this interface is
电
adjustable.
压可调。
Let's adjust the voltage by 500 volts.
调500伏
We'll run the test at 500 volts.
的档位来进行测试。
Okay. We are starting to test at 500 volts.
档位测试。
500 volts. 500 volts.
咱们
Let's
测
test
试
for 1
1
minute.
分钟
Measure its insulation resistance. Let's take a look at the time. There's time. Let's set it for 1分钟 UT. Wait until the test knot is over after 1 minute to see the result. Alright, we are almost done with the test.
好
Our test came back at 9.99 米一根.
9.99兆欧。
There will be lightning flashes during the test. End of test. The lightning bolt here is gone.
没有了。
Then take a look at the test results 10 megabytes.
结果10兆欧。
Well, we
我
can
们根据
adjust the
需要
voltage as
可以
needed.
调整这个电压。这个
This
电压
voltage
可
can
以
be
调节
adjusted.
的，
We
根
make
据现
adjustments
场的
according
需
to
求
the needs
来
of the
进行
site.
调整。使
Use
用
the insulation class of the
这个
subject.
被试品的产品的绝缘等级。
To test its insulation,
好，我给展示一下关机。
press this
这个
key.
键
Power off.